video here on today's mail call. And what we have, Gateway to Apshai. This was my first cartridge I had for the Commodore 64. And it's a fairly destroyed box. But we have registration card, instructions, and our Gateway to Apshai Commodore 64 cartridge. So that's pretty cool. So I wasn't after this for the box. In fact, I didn't even see the box. They didn't show it, so I was surprised to get any of that. But definitely beat up. But I was more so after the cartridge because I cannot find my original, so you know now my original one will show up.